Okay, so now it's time to create a new code space and deploy the solution from the code space. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, we go to our code spaces, and there are two ways to do this. First, you can create the code space directly from here, or if we have more options, you can go here, select the branch that you want to create, the container configuration, there is only one right now, and then choose the machine tab. Let's go for a bigger one, 4 cores, so we can take a look at this. And we are going to create CodeSpace. This is going to take some time, so I am going to wait here and fast forward the waiting time here. So now let's run an ACD app to deploy the application to our subscription. And remember that you need to have specific permissions in your subscription. Check the README file, the main README file. And here what we are going to do is first define an environment name, 09, and then I'm going to select the subscription, the location, and a couple of other things. This is going to take a while, so I am going to fast forward the next steps here. We are not using OpenAI API. And this will start. So now I am going to stop and get back here once the subscription, the publishing is done. Now we have the deployment process keep running here. It takes some time. It's probably been a couple of 5 minutes or more, and it's starting to deploy the resources to Azure. And we can see here, if we click on the link, we can also go here to Azure and start to see the full deployment process. And as I said, this is going to take some time, so I'm going to keep this one here and wait until it's finished. And now the deployment is complete. If we take a look here at the resources, we are going to see that everything was deployed in the right way, everything is green, but we still need to wait a little more because this is the moment that the deployment process will start to add the PDF and the documents to the Azure AI search so they can be indexed and later searched with this. So we still need to wait a little more. Let's wait a couple of minutes. And by the way, the process right now is took over 15 minutes or so, so maybe 5 more minutes until it finishes. And we are done. Now we can see that all of the documents are part of the Azure AI search service, so we are probably going to be indexed right now, and we have deployed the function and the service web. We can test the service web right now. It's running in the cloud, and first time we are going to see that we have the document, the kind of an intro here to Blazor. And if we go for chat, we can even start to check, okay, what is included in my Northwind Health Plus plan that is not a standard. It's going to generate an answer. It's running in a low, I set up some low resources for this one, but hey, we have the answer here, we have the documents, we can take a look at the thought process, the supporting content, and hey, if we want, we can even go here and take a look at the resource group in Azure, where we are going to see everything that's happened here. It's funded here. I'm going to open this in Azure, but we can take a look at everything that is created here. So it's kind of nice. Let's go to the subscription, let's go to the resources, source groups, rack chat 9, there it is, and we can see here all of the elements that were created, the container app, the web app, Azure OpenAI, and everything that we need. And hey, this is the app up and running here where we can see everything. We can even check voice and more here. So take some time, but you can deploy everything with the ACD app. You just need to check that you have the right permission in order to do this.